Hey there. Okay, I'm gonna try and do one of these unboxing videos. I ordered this Musikraft custom-made neck for my Jazzmaster in April, and it's here. So I don't even remember completely exactly what I got here. So let's see. Let's see what the packing list is. I tried to do a 12-inch radius neck like my Gretsch, because I think the skinny neck on my Jazzmaster gave me tendonitis. So I'm just, I don't know, not used to it, but yeah, it's been a thing. But the Gretsch doesn't seem to be problematic in that way. Okay, so this packing list doesn't say exactly the specs. Maybe once we go inside here. No? Okay. Okie doke. Well, anyway, also, before we do that, I got this awesome, hopefully everything's gonna work together. I got this 12-inch radius stage trem bridge, which is not really available. But John at Stage Trim was super cool, and he didn't want to do it the first time, second time, but he said he was going to be too busy. But eventually he came around and he did it quickly, and I'm super excited. So let's see if everything's going to work out together. I'll check it out, see what this is all about. Hopefully it'll have all the specs that I can read back to you. I think it's a 12-inch radius boat neck Jazzmaster with oil finish, Cluson tuners, a shit ton of styrofoam, packing peanuts, my favorite, everyone's favorite. Hold on a second. Okay, let's see if I can get this out. What a mess. Okay. Moment of truth here. Looks short. Scary. I don't know. Hopefully that's not a short scale neck. It's a big production, picking all the different options, all in decimal fractions and things that I had no idea. I've never played a boat neck, or, you know, a lot of these things I just kind of took a chance on. So let's see here. Important truss rod information. 4mm ball end, sometimes it's required. It needs a ball end T-handle wrench, not included, to adjust truss rod. This next truss rod has been tested and functions properly with a ball end triangle wrench. Okay, well, hopefully I won't have to do any of that. I don't know. I'm hoping I can just bolt it on and play it, but if not, I'll figure it out. Huh. Says my name on it. Wow, it says a lot of things here. What does it say? What is fret sprout? Oh, how humidity affects your guitar. Okay. Reasons why it's gonna maybe have problems, I don't know. This replacement neck is for Fender guitar or bass. Its profile is a registered trademark of Fender, licensed by Fender, not affiliated with Fender. Thank you. Comes in a cut-off stock inside here. Pantyhose. Uh-oh, what was that? A little piece of metal I thought I saw. That's gonna be sad. What was that? Okay. Scary. It's not cheap, so let's see what it's all about. Boy, it looks so short. Is that really how long my guitar is? I guess so. It has, I think they're called 6120 medium jumbo frets that look chunkier than my other one. Imitation clay dots. I think I got the pre-war spacing or something. Hand cut bone slot. What's it called? Is that what I said? Bone slot? What is it? A nut. It's a pre-slotted bone nut. Yeah, I don't know. It looks kind of like raw wood to me, but I think it has oil. I'll have to go back and check all the specs, and I'll put them down in the comments or something. But it looks pretty sweet. It's got dots on the side, in the center. They had different options for that. Looks pretty sweet. I'm gonna take out my actual Fender neck, sorry. Okay. So this guitar I built, assembled, I guess. Assembled and kind of built. So I got a Warmoth swamp ash body, and I painted it with the Guitar Re-Ranch lacquer, and I used the two different kinds of gold. I used Shoreline gold and Les Paul gold together, and I cut this pick guard out on the bandsaw with the drill, and I didn't have any of the real like routers and stuff. Got this strap Paul Frank made me, super cool, thank you. I got, what do I got here? There's a Seymour Duncan triple shot P-rails, so it's got a Strat pickup, a P90, and then I guess you can turn it into a humbucker in series and a humbucker out of series. I don't know what it is. I always keep it in the P90 position. And this is, what is this? This is, I guess it's a Seymour Duncan? No. Oh, this is a Lindy Fralin. I'm confused. I can't remember what I put in here. This is I forget. It's been a while. Anyway, it's sweet. It's got a stay trim. This is a 9.5 radius. The next 9.5 radius. So anyway, yeah, let's see if these necks are actually the same size as each other, because the new one here looks tiny, but so guess it's the same. Wow. Okay, sweet. Well, I will bolt it all together, let you guys know. I'll figure out the specs and try and remember what exactly my my Jazzmaster pickup is here. I think it's a Seymour Duncan still, and this is a knockoff. What was it? A blacktop Jazzmaster. Anyway, cool. Thanks for watching. I will check it out. It looks sweet. Took what is it? April, May, June, July, August. However long that is. That's how long it took for them to make it. I can't read what it says on the back of these, but looks pretty cool. Just doesn't really look like it has a finish on there, you know, but I guess I don't know. Okay, well, I'll put it in the comments, whatever I find out about everything. So, cheerio. Thank you.